everyone, this is Sora. Welcome back to a new episode of Form Life SMP. This should be episode 3. I have a special guest joining us for a little bit of this episode. You want to come on out and say hello? Where did you go? Hey, come out here. You're making me look crazy. Okay. Oh, here you are. Here she is. Hello. Ooh. This is Alice, or as her Minecraft name says, Moonshine. Apparently she's doing something to my base. I don't know what. I logged on the server because I noticed that she was on, and I wanted to finally introduce you guys to the person helping me with the server. Oh, hey, no! Don't, no! No! Stop! I added a new fishing mod for her, and she's having a lot of fun with it. Okay, fine. You can do it once. You can do it once if you really want to. Okay, apparently you want to steal my wheat. What are we... Are we playing hide and seek? What are we doing? No. It took so long to terraform this place. I don't want to mess it up. Alice, I think you left your dirt blocks over here. I had so many iron golems around here. I told Alice that she could come and kill them for some free iron if she needed it. Because we had so many, and the villagers just keep spawning more and more in. Nice. I mean, I told you you could. It's not really stealing. Oh, Alice, if you have a lot of carrots, I can make you some grilled veggie skewers. Actually, here, I'll just give you half of what I have. Welcome. They're a pretty good food source. And I see you were using my farm. That's where you got the carrots from, huh? And that's fine. Okay, where did I put my food? Okay, not right there. I think, yeah. Yep, that is from the mod Quark that I added to the server. It's what it gives us a lot of different things, a lot of custom recipes and whatnot. Yes, go ahead, form the almonds. Okay, I'm going to put these in there. Yeah, apparently we don't. We have almond butter though. Okay, apparently you can use the almonds to make bait. Heck yes. Okay. Oh, where are you? Okay, apparently you're at your base. Okay, I remember you sending me the chords on Discord, so I think I'm heading the right way. Up the little pumpkin patch. I think it's this way. If it's not, then I'm gonna get very lost, but I think it's this way. pretty sure across this forest. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot that. Yeah, conform. Okay, well now I have to go back to my base to use that, I think. Or I could just make my way there. I'll head back. It's getting dark. I don't want to have to fight mobs. Yeah, and I was going the totally opposite direction. I can see that now. Hey! Okay, I will concede this. Pillagers! 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 Okay, run, run, run. Why must they spawn on my nicely terraformed yard? Why? And I'm lagging. Well, that does make sense. I was just playing Stardew Valley before I before I hopped on. Yeah, I'm almost there. Did you dye one of my sheep teal? Did you dye one of my sheep teal? Yeah, I would like that. And are you sure? Because I know for a fact I did not have a teal sheep beforehand. Maybe it was from breeding them? I don't know. Huh. Thank you, Alice. See, guys, this is why... Yes. See, guys, this is why I keep Alice around. She is amazing. That was a joke. You're also a really cool friend. Is that supposed to be a crying emoji? Or... Oh. I'm joking. Okay, I'm on my way. I am on my way to come ruin someone's day. Let's go. I forget the rest. Okay. How many saplings do you have for the trees? Do you have any? Okay. Then once I get your waypoint, I'll head back home and I'll get you a couple saplings. There's a sheep in a tree. There was a sheep in a tree. I saw it for a split second and then it got out. I have video evidence, so I'm not crazy. Well, I don't know where it went. It left like a split second later. Ooh, cool. Ooh, wild carrots look so pretty. I'm gonna... Oh, I don't have any iron on me. I emptied my bag out the other day. Oh well, I'll come back for them another time. I was gonna get shears. Okay, I'm almost at your base. I'm like 250 blocks away. Hey, have you been shearing half, like, leaves off of store fruit trees by any chance? I'm gonna... Yeah, for some reason, there's just, like, a tree with most of its leaves gone out here. Silver might have deleted some chunks since no one was in there. Or that too. Okay, now I have to swim. Ooh, I see your base on the mini-map. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so cool. What the heck? Alice, how did you do this? How did you do this so fast? You've only been on the server a little fit. What the heck? Okay, how do I get into your base? Is it over here? What? How do I get in? How do I get up? Okay, thank you. I'll come right over there. I don't think you thought of the logistics of people coming to visit without the waystone, did ya? Let me just grab this waystone. There you are. Oh. Ah, you're making a connection to the land. You just haven't. Ah, okay. Oh, this is so cool. Are you're making a little village? Awesome. Nether portal. I haven't even been to the Nether myself. I don't have diamond. I've been focusing on terraforming. I've been focusing on terraforming for the last few weeks that I haven't really built much. Oh, I am so behind you. Oh, is this what you needed all that iron for? Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that is cool. You're just having fun with the new mod I installed for you, huh? Ah, so you need to fight the Ender Dragon then. Jeez, how did you... So, you needed a lot of iron, huh? God, this place is so cool. What the heck, Alice? Yeah, fair enough. Do you have, like, a mod that lets you see, like, the blueprint of a different world? Hermitcraft does, or, like, Smallish Beans, or, like... Oh, I know the name, I just forget it. Because how else did you remember every single detail of the build? Oh, I knew that looked like bamboo. That is so cool. I'll close these doors behind me. Oh, I love your place, Alice. There's another floor? Jeez. Oh, nice purple beds. Oh, nice balcony. I love your place. This is so freaking cool. Nice attic. Are you going to use this for storage? Yeah, this would be a good storage room. Okay, now I feel the need to go start planning out my builds. The only problem is I want to build a road first around my place. So I need to head all the way down to Deep Slate. You know, I could probably... Oh, that's cool. You know, in exchange for some bamboo, I could start farming some wheat for you if you want to turn that into thatched. And make a big wheat farm. enough. We have vertical slabs? Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, good to know. Good to know. What's out here? Oh, this is a dock you were fishing on earlier. Oh, this is so cool. Do you want fishing villagers in the future? Because that seems like a very good staple point for this town. This is so cool. Form. Okay. Well, I kind of have to head home, and I have to head down to Deep Slate to gather all the deep slate I need for my roads. I noticed that. So I'm really glad that I added this instead of the farming agricultural whatever one. Okay, I'm gonna head back to my place. Yes, that. And how much iron do I have? I have a couple, so. That. Okay, well, I'm gonna head down. Actually, I'm gonna sleep. Then I'm gonna head down into the deep slate levels because, like I said, I kind of need to get a lot of deep slate and tough. Okay, I'm gonna mute myself. Okay, bye. Okay, so that was fun. It's always fun to play with Alice. She is awesome. I love playing with her. Just we live in completely different time zones, so please do not. Please. Ah. Yeah, she is a bit of a prankster. She loves messing around. Ah! Hello? As I was saying, a bit of a prankster, loves messing around. I forgot to... What I want to do is make a few hammers because we need a lot of deep slate and whatnot. So I figured, yeah, yeah. Okay. Now maybe we can make the entrance to the mine be like right here. Alright. Okay. Now excuse me. Now we are going to do one thing we should never do. Dig straight down. Okay, I will meet you guys when we're down at deep slate level or when we have found something interesting. So Alice came to come help me with mining and she can vouch for this. We stumbled across this entire thing of diamonds. We don't know how. It's not a chunk of board. We found one while we were mining down. I offered it to Alice. She said no. And I was like, we should dig out around. What the hell? Should we wait until we get Fortune to come back? Or do you think this is enough diamonds for now? Are you gonna see in the test world if it's the same, or do you just want to save the chords for when we get fortune? Jeez. Okay. Okay, yeah, and we should probably put the seed as well. Okay, here's the seed, and here are the chords. You can see we did not cheat if you go check it out for yourself, okay? This is actually here, okay? We have given you proof. Alice, you are not bleeding. This is Redstone. If you are, maybe we have to amputate your leg. This was never child friendly. Here's some more torches for you. I forgot the chests. But I did bring some wood down so I can make some. One sec. Oh, I found more diamonds. Jeez, this is another big vein of diamonds. I don't think it's as big as the one up there, but still pretty decently big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. Yeah, tough blocks, I'm gonna use it for like a sidewalk thing. But I'm getting plenty. I like the smooth, like the polished tough. It's really nice. It looks like a nice smooth sidewalk when you pair it with something dark. I'm just putting little peekaboos in the wall for future strip mines. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm gonna need a lot more in the future, but for now that should be good. Yeah, that's a lot of cobblestone, deep slate, and tough. I'm gonna have to cut down the recording so long later. Okay, I'll be right there. One sec. Okay. I'm coming. I don't know where you... Oh, you're right here. Okay, more diamonds. Alright, this is actually very productive mining trip. Like, the heck? These hammers are amazing, aren't they? They just open up so much for you while you're mining. Oh, there's a deep slate furnace. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, yeah, that looks awesome. That looks like a cool furnace. Okay, everyone, I think that is where I will stop recording for the day. I hope you have all enjoyed the video. I know I had a lot of fun making it. Big thanks to Alice for showing up. She is somewhere back there in the pits of the darkness. Oh, you can see her coming. You can see her walking by out. Oh, that was so cool. But yeah, big thanks to Alice for dropping by and playing with me for a bit. She has been very busy, as you saw at the beginning, and she's been even more busier over the last day since I recorded the rest of this video because I forgot to record an outro. So that's what this is. Anyways, if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more. I post 4 times a week. 3 of those is gacha content, not gambling. It is the Gacha Life, Gacha Club, Gacha Nebula, just little character videos. Other posts or Deltarune Let's Plays, I played Undertale a while back, just started Deltarune Chapter 3, and this Form Life SMP. If you want to get access to my videos a week before they are posted on YouTube, you can head on over to my Patreon, check that out. If you want to get news about the SMP, once again, head on over to my Patreon. The news for the SMP is free over there. It is free access. Early access to my videos is still paid though. I also post horror gameplay over there, which I don't post on YouTube because I do not like horror games, but yeah, just had to plug my Patreon for a second there. Anyways, I'll see you all next time. Bye bye, everyone.